Okay, just a quick video for me to get an idea of what's happened. Oh, it's not looking good. This is a Cheerson CX-20. What was it? Was it Auto-Pathfinder? Now, a couple of years ago, my brother bought this kindly for my children, and we took it out the park without having read the instructions properly, and my brother made this look about like that big. That little hole there in the sky, it just disappeared. So we didn't know return home at the time, and it blew about a quarter of a mile across the park. So bit of a mistake. Now come 2 years later, and we were clearing the house out and I found it again. I'm thinking about fixing this. Oh, this is the compass that would sit up here, and I have seen a new chassis and propellers to go on the motors, but before I invested in the replacement chassis, I thought, well, let's get it charged and let's see how it behaves, just so I'm not wasting my money. I saw it's like 50 quid on Amazon for replacement chassis, propeller guards and propellers and new legs to go with it. The legs were in bits. Well, it did fall about a blooming kilometre or something. I'm probably, embellishing there, but it was incredibly high. If I was to fall that amount, I'd be dead. So just one arm being broken on this, it's not too bad, but I just need to figure out how to get everything put together. Now, when I am putting the connecting the battery, as you can see, there should be 2 LEDs. You got the green one here, green one, and there should be a red one here in this section. But this light is just look at the state. This light LED, who knows where that's gone. I've been looking online for these as well, and I can't find it. No, I know, it's probably not essential to have the light, but it came with the light, so I'd like to replace it. So if anyone knows where I can get one of these lights from, because I've been looking online and I can't find them anywhere. Then it'd be very helpful if anyone has an idea. I thought it actually fell into the body. You see the light coming into this section here. When I saw this light, I thought the light or the LED had like fell into one of the back arms, and this was already damaged, so I just peeled this back just to get into it without unscrewing everything, because I'm replacing the chassis anyway. So but now I can't even remember what this thing does anymore, but yeah, but the other LED is not in there. It's probably still at the park in like a magpie's nest or something. But one thing in addition to the LED, what I noticed, when you fire this up, when the motors do a test, watch this. See, this particular motor that's hanging on by it, it's just hanging on by the wires to the board, but this motor is fine. Right, so you see the twitching. So that twitches, this twitches, that twitches, but this this clockwise one, just bring it in closer, this one here, I'll just disconnect that, reset it, and you'll probably see this one twitching here, but this one, when I connect it first time, it doesn't twitch as much as the others, but when I turn it backwards, it'll fight against me, so I know power's getting through to it. It's just not doing it as much as that. I was just wondering if anyone's experienced anything like that, any of those kind of symptoms. I know when I open it up, I can either take the clockwise, which one? That's clockwise. And this one. If I remove this motor and put it onto that board to show whether that board is at fault or whether that motor is. Well, just looking for some advice, right? Wish me luck, I'm gonna need it.